Hello everyone, Tavi Ginario here. I'm a classical guitarist, and here are 7 tips that you could start implementing today and improve your classical guitar playing immediately. Alright, the 4th area that I want to talk to you about has to do with dynamics. When I listen to classical guitar, I love the fact that the instrument is capable of creating valleys and mountains, and it makes for a very interesting and exciting journey when people use all the dynamic capabilities of the instrument. Rather than playing everything at a mezzo forte, sometimes allow people to lean forward and really lean forward to hear the subtleties of the classical guitar, and sometimes surprise them. Surprise them when they think you're going to play loud, surprise them and play soft. Let me give you a couple of examples. Here's a section from Capriccio Arabe. Hear that subito there. Subito means sudden. Listen to the drop there. That doesn't sound as effective to me then. Again, there was a change in the volume there. People were expecting you to grow all the way up on that arpeggio. But you surprised them by actually dropping the volume at the last note. It's as if an opera singer would sing a really high note, but instead of blasting it out with a lot of air, he's using falsetto. And it's really beautiful and surprising, and it adds for an emotional journey. For example, another piece is the ending of a Catalonian song, El Noi de la Mare. That very last strum is almost inaudible, but it's felt, and it allows people to lean forward and tune their ears to all the dynamic range of what a classical guitar is. So use deep valleys and tall mountains and everything in between. You have all that at your disposal. So play with dynamics. If you have enjoyed this video, drop us a comment and check out eliteguitarist.com. On that site, I have tons of courses and repertoire tutorials, and I invite you to dive with me in this wonderful world that the classical guitar is. In the meantime, cheers and press on, everybody.